Stop by and take a look at the 2012 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.